And this blush, hello, this is looking gorgeous. Alright, so let's get started. Now for today's video, I'm kind of sitting down and I'm a little bit in a rush just because I've been filming so late lately, and like most of my last few videos, I have neighbors, so I don't want to be speaking too much for too long. So yes, today I really want to finish this video a little bit sooner than usual. So today I'm going to be sitting down to play with makeup, and I also received a packaging from Quo Beauty, so I'm so excited to be trying some of these products because this is such an affordable drugstore line, and they sent me a bunch of makeup and they also sent me snacks. I was really happy about receiving snacks, and I received this package like maybe a few days ago. So yes, the snacks are gone. So as you're seeing, I do have a little bit of makeup on my face right now, but that's really good because in the Quo package I received, we have a cleansing balm. So I'm going to be trying this to remove my makeup. And if you want to know what I'm wearing on my lids, I've been loving using the shimmers on my lids from the Escape Pod, and right now I'm using the shade Space Oasis, and look how pretty this is. Like, this is such a pretty shade. I've been wearing it non-stop. So like I said, we have a cleansing balm. We also have a hyaluronic, oh my god, I can't pronounce that. This is a hyaluronic, god. This is a
hyaluronic acid
serum. So this is supposed to be very hydrating, and I'm going to use this as a base today. We also have a setting mist. We have a lip and cheek multi-stick. We have some lip balms, and we also have some eyeshadow quads. Look at how cute these are. Like, look at how small and tiny these eyeshadows are. I feel like this is going to be perfect for a everyday basis. I just feel like smaller eyeshadow pans are so cute and so practical. We also have single eyeshadows, so I feel like today's look is going to be very neutral because most of these shades are very neutral. Let me stop talking and I'm going to do some swatches first. I always feel so bad whenever I'm filming this late. My neighbors must hate me. So I'm going to start by swatching the quad. Okay, so they definitely don't feel very pigmented. Oh my god. I'm not going to judge them too much right now just because maybe it's going to be a little bit more pigmented on the eyes because right now it's looking a little bit sheer. And then we also have single shadows. And then I'm going to swatch the lip balm. So you have two shades of the lip balm. We have the shade Coral Crush and Pink Lemonade. I did use the Pink Lemonade shade and it feels really hydrating. There is not a lot of color, but they are very comfortable on the lips. They have avocado oil, so they are also very hydrating. And then the cheek and lip multi-stick is in the shade Desire. Ooh, I think I really like that. This feels really creamy. Ooh, it smells like cranberries. It's a really pretty mauve pink kind of shade. First thing we are going to do, I'm going to remove the makeup I have right now. So I'm going to be using the Banana Cleansing Balm. So this is supposed to melt makeup away. I never really used one of these products before, so I'm really excited to try this. So this is formulated with banana extract. It's supposed to help melt away makeup and moisturize skin. Okay, so you're supposed to put this on dry face. I'm kind of scared because usually whenever I remove my makeup, I always like to use a cleanser or a cotton pad with some makeup remover. So I feel kind of weird having to rub this into my face. I love the color of that. Oh my god, it's like a freaking bright yellow shade. Why do I like this shade so much? Look at that, it's so cute. Why am I so happy about this shade? Ooh, okay, so this is like a really weird texture. Okay, so I'm just going to rub this into my face. Oh, I'm so scared. Ooh. Okay, this smells like banana. Oh my god, this smells so good. Ooh. This is removing makeup so easily. Oh my god. My mascara is just gone. look crazy. This smells like the syrup I had to take when I was younger, and I just loved that syrup. It tasted so freaking good. Alright, so I'm back and this stuff is freaking amazing. I'm shocked that I never really tried cleansing balms before, because I'm just shocked at how easily this was to remove my makeup. Okay, so next I'm going to be trying the
hyaluronic acid
serum. I don't think this type of acid is good for my face, just because every time I use the ordinary hyaluronic acid, I get breakouts. So I'm not really sure if this is like, if my skin just does not like hyaluronic acid. I sound like a toddler trying to speak. So I'm just taking a few drops and I'm just going to start and massage this into my face. My skin absorbed it so fast, like it's gone. It's gone. My skin does not even feel tacky, like it really absorbed it so quickly, so that's nice. So next, I think I'm going to be using the mist as a primer and also as a final setting spray kind of thing. So I'm going to be trying that. This is the brightening facial mist with vitamin E and C. So I'm going to shake this up really nicely, just because this does have oil inside. All right, so let me just spray this on my face. Ooh. But the mist, don't taste it. Do not eat this. But the mist on this is really nice. It's very smooth, it's very relaxing, and this smells amazing. I do feel a little bit of like a tingling sensation right now. I've been maybe wearing the setting spray for a couple of like minutes. I'm not sure if my skin is liking it. Is my skin just this bad? Or are you seeing what I'm seeing? Am I getting like instantaneous redness from this? And my eyes are starting to burn a little bit. Oh god. Yeah, no, I'm going to rinse it because my eyes are burning, so I'll be right back. I'm not sure how I feel about the mist. I'm going to try it as a setting spray, not as a like direct skin contact kind of thing underneath makeup. Next, I'm going to apply some moisturizer. I'm going to be using the Fenty Hydra Vizor Sunscreen Face Cream. So I'm going to take a little bit of that, and I'm just going to hydrate my skin with this instead of the mist. I'm also going to take a little bit of eye cream. This is the Pharmacy Cheer Up eye cream. I got this in my BoxyCharm and I've been like using this like crazy. It's almost out. It's very lightweight and it does reduce my under eye bags in the morning, so I've been really liking this. So I'm just going to place this under my eyes. So I'm going to be using my Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 130N, and I'm going to place this on the high points of my face, so under my eyes. So I just went and wet my sponge. This is the Morphe and Lisa Frank sponge. I'm just going to blend my concealer in using that. Alright, and for my bronzer, you guessed it, just because we are going to be using a cream blush, I also want to use a cream bronzer. So I'm going to be using the Tower 28 bronzer. This looks absolutely disgusting now that I've used it, but this bronzer is gorgeous. It's so freaking beautiful. So I'm going to take a little bit of that with my sponge, and I'm going to dab that on the perimeter of my face, just to give a little bit of color to my face. So next I'm going to be trying the multi-use multitask stick. This is in the shade, like I said, Desire. I'm just going to go ahead and saturate my sponge with this, and I'm going to start, I'm so scared, I'm just going to start and dab this on my cheeks, like right here under my eye. I've been really liking to put my blush under my eye, like here, and also to bring it like into my crease. I've been really liking that look. And this blush, hello, this is looking gorgeous. This is looking absolutely beautiful. Hello, and bam, wow, I really like this. This is really pretty. Let me just put some on my lips. Very cute. All right, so next we're going to start working on the eyes. So as usual, I'm going to be priming using my MAC Pro Longwear paint pot in the shade Painterly. So I'm just tapping this on my lid with my finger. So I'm going to start by taking the shade called Awaken, which is a really pretty gray shade. I'm going to take that on a lavish, this is a really small packing blending brush, and I'm going to take that shade. I'm going to really dab off and tap off the excess just because I already did my whole complexion makeup, so I really do not want to mess it up. So I'm just going to start and tap this on my outer corner right here. Let's see how this is going to look. This so far is doing what I needed to do, so I'm really not mad. So I'm just going to continue and tap this pigment on. I'm really just blending this in my crease, and I'm taking it quite far on the outer corner. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and use a fluffier brush. This is also a lavish brush. I'm also just going to take a tiny little bit of this color on the brush, nothing too crazy, tapping off the excess. I'm just going to start and smoke this shade out. I really want this to be really smoky. Next, I think I'm going to go ahead and use this on my Eco Tools beveled brush. And I think I want to extend my inner corners quite intensely. So I'm just going to create a line there. Next, I think I'm going to go into the quad, and I'm going to go into the really deep gray shade. I'm going to take that on the same very tapered lavish blender brush. And I'm just going to place this a little bit more tightly in the crease. I just want to darken this shade a little bit more. Actually, I think I need an even smaller brush. I'm going to take that on a JH42 brush, which is an even smaller packing brush. And I'm going to take this, kind of creating this smoky liner moment. Oh my god, that's intense. That's very intense. I'm also going to put this in my crease right here, kind of creating a cut crease. But I'm not going to connect it to my wing that I created. I'm really just going to leave this in the very center of my lid. I'm also going to take that shade with a angled brush, and I'm just going to intensify the line in my inner corner even more. Then I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this light shade. It's kind of like a lighter cream, a little bit of like a satin shade. I'm going to take that with my finger, and I'm just going to place this on the very center of my lid right here. I'm going to take some more of that shade on a like smaller flat brush, and I'm going to place this in my inner corners just to make my inner corners a little bit brighter. Oh, that's pretty. Wait, that's so pretty. I might put a little bit on my brow bone. That's gorgeous. That's really pretty. Oh my god. Wow. So I think I'm going to leave my eye like this. It was pretty fast. This eye look was done so quickly, and everything blended really nicely. Do you see this? This is absolutely gorgeous. I think that's all the makeup. So I'm going to put on some mascara, I'm going to do my brows, and then I'm going to do my lips, my highlights. Yes, so let me just do that. So I'm going to be using the Goof Proof brow pencil just because my Precisely my brow pencil is out. I ran out. So I'm going to be using that one instead. And I kind of want to start to do something. So let's do kind of like a secret emoji type of thing, just because I'm really curious to see how many of you watches my video till like half or like till the end. I really want to do like a secret emoji during every single videos, and then you have to put it in the comments below. Today's secret emoji is going to be the smiling cat. Let's do the smiling cat. Just put in the comments the smiling cat emoji, and I'll know that you and me all the way, baby. Let me know also if you think that's a good idea or if it's just stupid. I think it's fun. I think it's really fun. All right. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the 24-hour brow setter. And I'm just going to fluff my brows up. All right, here we go. I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply some mascara. I'm going to be using the Dare Real mascara from Benefit. I've been really liking this mascara actually. It's really nice. Alrighty, so here we go. Next I'm just going to do my lips really quickly. I'm just going to use my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Endless Cacao, and I'm just going to contour my lips using this really quickly. I just want to give a little bit more like definition to my lips. And then I think I'm going to be using this as a lipstick just because of how like it's really pretty, and I feel like a mauve kind of like lip shade will be perfect with this really cool tone eye look. So I'm just going to place this on my lips, and then what's going on? What's going on? Almost forgot to do highlight. What? For my highlight, just because I think the pinkish tint will be really pretty with this look, I'm going to use the Rare Beauty highlight in the shade Enchant. I'm going to try and apply this with the sponge. Usually I don't really apply my highlight with the sponge, but I just want to try it out. So I'm just going to take that on my sponge and I'm going to do some tapping motions. Ooh, that's really pretty. Alright, so here we go, and then last step, I'm kind of scared. Do I really want to do this? I'm going to be using the Brightening Facial Mist as a setting spray. I really hope this is not going to ruin my makeup look. Okay, that much, nothing more. Please dry, please dry. Oh god. Okay, it's drying just a little bit. I think I'm going to go over it with my sponge just to make sure that like I remove the excess oil. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this. This made my skin burn. This made my makeup suck. I wouldn't really recommend this one. It is really pretty, like as a base, it did make my skin very glowy and very nice. If you don't have sensitive skin, then maybe you would like it, but it made my skin burn, so I think I'm going to pass on that. Okay, but I'm going to sum everything up. The eyeshadows are approved. The mist, you know my opinion on this, you already know, I don't like it. The Multistick, I think you know my opinion on this. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's amazing. I feel like do you see the lip color? This lip color is gorgeous, and on the cheeks, gorgeous. Lip balms, they're nice. I don't really have anything else to say. They're hydrating, they're pretty, they give a little bit of color. Hello. This product I'm going to use every single day of my life whenever I come back from work, because this smells amazing, this feels amazing, and this removes makeup amazing. First time trying cool makeup. I think everything went really well. Everything was so beautiful. They're cruelty free, they're affordable. Also, I really just wanted to put a disclaimer out there. I'm doing a lot of changes in my life right now, so I'm not even sure if I am going to have time to do the next few Makeup Mondays. I'm going to try and pre-film a lot so that there is some content on my channel, but if there's not a Makeup Monday, don't be alarmed. I think because I'm moving, so that's the reason why I'm going back to my hometown. I changed job, I had a separation, so everything is going really crazy in my life right now. I'm still working full-time and I need to move apartments. I'm going to be living with a friend for the next few weeks, so I'm not even sure if I am going to be filming, just because I don't really have the space for it and I don't want to impose too much on her. But yeah, so I just wanted to put a disclaimer out there because my life is a little bit crazy right now. But whose life is not crazy right now? These are crazy times. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. You can also subscribe to my channel. I put up new videos every single Mondays, so subscribe so that you don't miss any of the Makeup Mondays. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.